Alright, so what I figure I'd do is explain to the people what binary options are for those that are interested. So I'm gonna get right into it. Binary options explain and simplify. What are binary options? Binary options are estimates of underlying assets performance during a given time frame. To understand the beauty of binary option trading, let's first take a look at how investment in other trading markets usually works. In most forms of investment, the investors usually purchase the asset they invest in, and the value of the profit and loss is determined upon the changing value of the asset. If the investor sells the asset back to the market whenever its value increases, then they're making a profit. And if they sell the asset back to the market when its value decreases, then their money is lost. The type of investment requires the investment to constantly worry about when to sell the asset and get out of the market to avoid exposing his entire account to the market's volatility. Conversely, binary option trading is simpler. In options, we trade futures on the market and not in the market like other trading methods, and thus the amount of psychological stress isn't expressed, as you are just predicting the asset's movement for a predetermined time frame. The definition of binary options. The word binary stands for having two parts. Generally speaking, all you need to do is predict either call or put. Binary option trading has only two investment possibilities for you to predict and then choose between. One investment possibility is expressed when you predict that the price of the asset will rise. This type of investment is named call option. The other possibility is presented when you predict that the price of the asset will fall. This type of investment is named put option. Choosing an asset is the first step of your investment. For instance, if you have an interest in gold prices, you may choose to place a binary investment in gold. Obviously, the more familiar you are with the gold market, the better your chances are of successfully predicting the fluctuations of gold prices. What assets can be traded as binary options? Optech has a wide variety of binary contracts available to traders. Now, I don't use this right here. This is not available to the U.S. market. That's something that you might want to look into too, because this is why this is I don't know, it's catching fire over here, because the United States, for some reason, we know the reason, but a lot of financial institutions don't rock with them like that, you can say. And so a lot of programs and softwares, it'll be like, sorry, no U.S. residents can do it, but there's a lot that do too. So, but of course, like I said, why. Anyway, you can trade with indices such as NASDAQ, Dow Jones, FTSE, Nikkei, and many more. Forex combinations for all the major currencies such as U.S. dollars, euro, British pound, the yen, and the Australian dollar, just to name a few. Commodities, gold, silver, oil, corn, coffee, and several more. Stocks. Over 45 of the biggest and most interesting companies in the world from a variety of industries are available in the Optech asset list, amongst them Google, Dutch Bank, Coca-Cola, and more. Where can I learn how to trade? They have their own academy, and that just shows you, what they do. This is a completely different site. But now we're gonna get into what I'm doing, and this is exactly what it is right here. This particular site right here is like, they have what you call social trading. So, well, first let me just start with this. This is the hot assets, the currencies, commodities, the indices, the stocks that we just talking about on the other site. You can't trade on Saturdays and Sundays. The market is closed. Just period. It is closed. So that's just why I say please come back. During trading hours will start tomorrow. Now you have time frames. Midday, 30 seconds, 60 seconds, 2 minutes, 5 minutes. You calling these things call or put right here. That's simple. That's simple. Call or put. Every 30 seconds, 60 seconds, 2 minutes, 5 minutes. So you're just determining whether it's going to go up or go down. That's it. Now, ordinarily, you would have to study these charts and things of that nature. And this is science. That's the kicker. This is all science, algorithms. Studying, you know, the buying power of these currencies, commodities, indices, and stocks. You know, how they're going to fare at a particular time during the course of a day, but all day. You understand what I'm saying? Again, 30 seconds. I mean, it's constantly changing. It's constantly changing. And if you watch it, you know, if you watch it, you pay attention, you'll see it just go up. And just like the Bitcoin, you can do this with Bitcoin too. Go up and down, up and down, up and down. You just basically say, all right, it's going to go up or it's going to go down. That's it. But now they made it so easy so that you have, with a lot of these, you have managed accounts where you might get, they have robots, they have professional traders, day traders. And with these day traders, they usually start high. Like, man, 15,000, 20,000, 30,000. We don't have that type of money. No. Eventually, I'm trying to get there. That's the whole goal. But that's how you get. That's the wealth. I mean, because these people can make $1 million in one day, and that's why this is important. Because, like, come on, man, my peers don't nobody know about this. Y'all hear about it, but y'all need to see it. Y'all need to see it because y'all don't believe that you can get wealthy and change your economic, your financial situation, and then proceed to do what you're going to do, however you're going to do it. Nothing else don't matter until then. You're going to keep struggling for what? So, anyway, that's what this is right here. And when the market open back up, you get on and you do this. Now, you can learn it, man. I mean, like, research. Use Google. You can learn it. I mean, you got, what you also too have is what you call signal callers. So, like, you can get free signal services. And, like, you might could get it on your phone or go in a Facebook group. People be doing this all day. This is what I'm saying. Y'all don't see this. People do it all day in Facebook groups, WhatsApp groups, Telegram groups, Google Plus groups, like Twitter. They do it all day, and they're just doing this in Forex because they go hand in hand. Now, if you master both Forex and binary, there you go. You know, but you could get signal callers and they'll tell you. I mean, like, nothing is guaranteed, like 100%, but they win the majority of the time. Right now, basically, you got a cheat code to the market, man. It's a cheat code. You got all type of software algorithms. You can invest $5,000, $10,000 into a algorithm software type joint, and it'll just make you money all day. Like, 'cause it's reading all of this, and it's giving you the answer, and you just boop. And then you have people that's doing it for you. You put money in the account, and they do it for you. And you get profits daily, weekly, monthly. Some companies you gotta trade for 3-4 months. Like, it's a lot as far as, you know, researching what's what and what's good. But what I do is I smarter, not harder, man. That's it. So the site that I'm on is a minimal deposit of, I think, $10, $20. And you put it in there, and then they have what you call social trade, and this is what I'm gonna show you right now, just to show you how easy this is. Boom, right here. All right, so what we got is these are different traders, and they give you their stats, right? S. Harry Cohn, Will Bestany, Leonard Joe Brandt, John Dory, hold on, man. All right, they got these people, and they trade. You know what I mean? They trade for you, and you tell them how long you want to follow. This is called social trading. It's crazy. Like, yes, they win percentage because everybody got different strategies. Like, it's with a Fibonacci sequence and all that coming in. Like I said, this is science. It's not like no, you know what I mean? Like, you'll get it. But like this guy, 91%. He got 98 followers. Right here, see, he got 98 followers. And you get to see how long, you could put how long you want to follow him for, whatever. Boom. And then, like, you can invest, like, I guess the minimal deposit for social trade is, I don't know what the social trade limit is, because I don't do that. But when you do it, you can come on here and follow these dudes. And this is their win percentage, you know what I'm saying? You gonna make money. It's guaranteed you're gonna make money. They all make money. You don't see nobody losing. You just you research, you do your own research. I am going to start doing it, but this is not the only website. This is just one of the ones where you can start for the low. You can start with like $10-$20, and this is just not it. Like, they got software where it's free software, but you have to have like a minimal deposit of $200, $250, $300. It's all type of things out here, but I'm just showing y'all this is what binary options is. I would start with this site right here. I definitely would start with this site right here, because you can start with a little bit, see a little bit of profit. You ain't got to worry about, I done spent $1,000 and boom. You understand what I'm saying? So yeah, you can start with this site right here. Invest a couple dollars, watch it, bubble. Just keep investing it, following these people or whatever. And cause these are legit companies. Trust and believe that. I don't do nothing fugazi. But yeah, that's just what it is. So if you interested in it, email me. Email me at nurunomics@gmail.com. nurunomics@gmail.com. And with your name, your email, and put in the subject line binary options. We're gonna see how well y'all can follow instructions. If you're interested, you don't have to be. I'm just letting you know. And what I will do is I will send you an invite to join this, and cause that's how it gotta go. You gotta be invited, and you could be on your journey to possibly changing your financial, situation or whatever. So I hope y'all, get something out of it.